Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are doing another unboxing, like not usual but very often you're gonna see some stuff arrive and I will unbox it for you. Sometimes from known brands, sometimes from unknown brands, sometimes from upcoming brands. This time we have a upcoming brand, I would say. It's, how do you say it? Matieresfecales? I don't know. Actually, he had his first runway show in Paris, in France, and he debuted some nice looks, some very outstanding looks, some haute couture style, and also some streetwear pieces. And yeah, I have been wanting to buy something from him, and he was presented to me via another guy on Instagram who also does fashion reels, and I checked his store out and I have seen that there are some pieces still available, and I decided to buy some. And yeah, now I will show you what I got in this little box, and then I will tell you how I like it, and maybe in the future you can buy something for yourself. And yeah, let's get to it. So we have the box here, and as you can see, it's not that big as mentioned before. We have the Fecal matter sticker in here with some nice paper. Let me show you. I hope you can see. It's like here there are some stickers that fell out, like some mayhem style. Like that's also why I like his brand, because he does the black dark metal style, the death metal style. Two stickers, and here is the item. And now let me see. I can present it to you in the best possible way. And here we have it. It's the cap. It's the Painslut cap with the Fecal matter back tag. And yeah, it's just a cap, but as you can see, it's not your average cap. And yeah, it's always nice to have something unique, especially from an upcoming unknown or a pretty unknown designer. Here we have the tag with the designer on it. That's how he looks like all the time, or most of the time. He wears some white face paint and some makeup, like pretty unique. Here we have it again in big, with a nice thank you letter. That's actually pretty cute. What does it say? Thank you so much for supporting our work. I'm sorry, I just can't read it properly. I'm loving your... I don't know. I think it's something with loving. Maybe you guys can read it better. But yeah, let me show you the front side. So, and then let me show you how it looks, so you guys can see a bit better. Yeah. And now I will try it on and show you guys how it looks when I have it on. So this is me with the cap on. I hope it's good to see. I'll try to spin the camera around. I'm pretty new to this, so I hope it's alright. It actually fits pretty nice. Sorry for that. Yeah. The brim, like right here, doesn't hurt my head like it does in some of the other caps, because it pushes inside my forehead. But with this, it's perfectly fine. I like it a lot. And today I'm gonna rock it at the 90s party where I'm gonna be, and also gonna take you guys with me in another video. I hope you really liked the video and enjoyed my review and my unboxing of the Matieresfecales Fecal Matter drop, or the cap, to be exactly the Painslut cap. I will see you guys next time. Have a nice one. Bye bye and enjoy your day. This is of course not how I will go to the festival today, but it's just a chill little fit that I threw on. Anyways, have a nice one.